Today I have a new pair of black shoes. They're pumps from Jenn Ardor. They are the Nemesis ankle strap pump, because they have a strap around the ankle here. They do have the pointed toes. It's nice because they have a padded insole, which makes them a little more comfortable. And I've noticed the material is, I guess, kind of sweat resistant, so your feet don't really sweat in here, whether or not you wear hose with these. I do like the fact that the buckle here is like a pretty gray instead of like a bright silver. I think it goes better with the shoe. They have the little heel, like the mini heel, which I really like. So you get a little bit of height, but it's not too uncomfortable, so you can wear it all day. So I'm going to give you a closer look here at the shoe. The Kitten heel, which is actually 2.4 inches tall. I really like that because I like a little bit of heel, but the big heels, I just can't wear them all day. They'll hurt my feet by the end. Very classic look. You could really wear it with everything because it's black, but it's a nice little accent to have the strap around the ankle instead of just the plain pump, and it's the, you know, like the cutout side, which is nice. It does have the pointy toe. Right. So I'm going to put these on and show you how they look. So this is what they look like on. So you can see it is nice when you walk. See, if I go on the wood here, they have an anti-skid rubber sole on the bottom, so you're not going to slide. I do like the way the strap looks on the side. It gives a little bit of an accent to just the plain pump. So I like that. They're pretty comfortable. You can feel they do have a slight padding so that they're easier for all day wear, so you can make it to the end of the workday. Or you can wear them on a night out. They are pretty cute little black shoes. They're universal. Okay, well, I hope you guys will check these out. They're nice shoes. Check the description section below for a link to the Jenn Ardor website, where there is a huge selection of shoe styles and colors. Thanks for watching.